let's break down how we were able to take this amazing trade on Nvidia live and in detail. First things first, you're going to want to make sure that you have some critical levels on your chart. So you want to have previous day levels and pre-market levels. So the way to get this data is by simply on your tradingview.com here. You want to go to the settings tab and you want to make sure on the symbols section in the session, you have extended time. If you don't, you most likely will have the regular time. All you have to do is switch it to extended time and then hit OK. Now, once you have that on your chart, my friends, you're going to have 3 different quadrants or zones of information on your chart. Okay, I have them in different colors. TradingView is awesome in the sense of that you can change and customize everything. So this little black area here is my intraday trading, and that's the previous day. The price action to the left is what has already happened. Okay, so my intraday levels to the left, then we have post market data here in this like bluish grayish area here, and then this light orange area is my pre-market levels. Okay, now once we have those on, you want to mark your highs and lows. So for intraday or previous day high or previous day level, some people in the industry call it PDH and then PDL. So for PDH, what we have is the high of the previous trading day. So go to this little black area here, look at the highest point, and you mark a horizontal line. If you're on a Mac, it's going to be Option H, and if you're on a PC, it's going to be Alt H, okay, for the hotkey on TradingView. Once you have that high marked, cool, then you just simply go down to mark the low. Simply just like how you were doing with the high, you look for the lowest point that price got to during intraday, mark a horizontal line there, okay? With these critical levels, we're looking to see that price is able to do what around these areas. We usually want price to be able to break through those areas. The final intraday data points that I want on my chart before the market opens is going to be pre-market high and low. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're able to get this data here for pre-market. The lowest point, right? Simply go to the lowest point on the pre-market time and then also the pre-market high. So PMH and PML is also another thing we need to have on our charts. Okay, you need other levels on your chart, and if you have a hard time with marking levels, you are in luck because I'm going to give you an indicator that's going to help you with that right now. Before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button while you're at it. Help this video get to 1,000 likes because I know that this little gem that I'm about to give you is going to help you in an amazing way. Because when I just started out with trading, I did not know that levels were important, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't know levels was a thing. And this is why in the academy, I teach all my friends in the academy how to actually draw these levels. And I do give them a little cheat code. I do draw these levels fresh for them every morning and drop it into the chat for them to be able to have. But if you're having a hard time with marking these levels, and it's very important to have levels on your chart, here's a little cheat code. Okay, so go to the indicator section here on your trading view, and I want you to type in pivot and then type in pivot point standard. Once you type that in, click it, add it to your chart, and then you should have it come up on your chart here, okay? And I want you to see that there's going to be these lines that populate on your chart, right? R1, R2, P, S1, S2, okay? So all those numbers are showing us, my friends, those are pivot points. Pivots are a mathematical equation that takes the data from previous price action and then plots the lines for price action or trading going forward. So we like to have levels on our chart because we use these as our targets, friends, because you got to know, I always tell my friends in the academy, you have to know why you're getting in, where you're going to get out, if it's a stop or if it's a target. If you don't, then you're just gambling. Okay, so I want to show you how fabulous these are and how we were able to execute this trade. Okay, so now that we have our pivots on our chart, we are waiting for price to give us a signal to say, hey, what do we want to do? Price pushed to the downside here. It found support at that pivot at 201.33 and pushed up off of that level. Okay, then I want you to see that as it was pushing up, we saw that it was able to break through not only previous day high but also pre-market high right here. Okay, now with that break of pre-market and previous day high, what did we get? We got a retest of previous day high, right? And with that retest, we got the entry we were looking for. Okay, so we entered simply on the opposite side of pre-market high, and we knew our target. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, y'all. We knew our target because we have levels plotted on our chart. Remember, price action does not just move any old way. It moves from level to level. So being informed and having a level plotted on your chart to be able to say, hey, if price gets here, then I do this. I always teach my academy friends, y'all, where you using if-then statements throughout our trading day. This brings me back to my days as an elementary school teacher. The if-then statement, it always comes back. All the things that I taught in elementary school always come back. And this is so helpful while we're trading, right? So we're like, if this happens, then I do this. So we did get a valid execution of our if-then statements. Hey, if price is able to break through previous day high, pre-market high, and then retest, I will then enter into the trade for a play to the upside or a call. My profit target would be 203.67 because I got that from the pivot point standard. Y'all, listen, I just want to pause for a second. If you are able to grasp what I'm saying and you are going to apply what I am teaching you, type applied in the comments right now. I know I'm not talking to everybody. I know I'm not flashy. I'm not showing you a Lambo. I'm not showing you shopping in the Chanel store, but I'm showing you how to use this skill to generate income from the market using exactly what I do. I don't know if you know me, but I left the classroom of over 15 years and my husband and I trade full time using this exact same strategy. So this ain't just saucy. This ain't just like, it's not fluff. I am not showing you a cartoon or a movie right now. I'm showing you things that you can literally take and apply tomorrow when the market is open. So if you gonna apply this, it's not for everybody. It's only for the people that are serious about this. And you're different. You're different. I can't say enough about it. Anywho, as we took the trade, we got our entry, we got our target, we took profit here. And this is why I teach risk management. This is why you should have risk management as a trader. As you can see, price bounced down, no problem. We already took profit and we were able to exit out of this trade, not letting this trade go against us. We don't let green trades turn red in our group. So anywho, that was a beautiful trade on Nvidia. We're on Coin. We took this trade on the same day that we took that Nvidia trade, but I want you to see something here when it comes to these critical levels. This is why it's so important to have these marked every day before you start trading, okay? So remember, my dotted yellow lines are pre-market levels and my solid yellow lines are previous day levels. So here we see that price action had a hard time when it came to pre-market high, went up and got shot straight down, right? But I want you to see where it went to. Its levels is a thing, y'all. What I say, levels be leveling, okay? So this 202.28 is previous day low, and I got that from over here, okay? So previous day low is where price was. That was the lowest it got to during intraday. And what we want to see here, or what we saw, is that price had a reaction to it. So what I'm looking for is a break of that level. And I got one here. And I also, in that process, y'all, I got a beautiful flag forming here. Now with that flag, we like to see a break of that flag. And now we have our stop loss on the opposite side of the flag. So with that being said, my entry was this, and what a move it was. My first profit target is going to be pre-market low. So we know that's a strong level. So we take profit into pre-market low. Got another wonderful push to the downside. This was a beautiful trade that we took on live. And the reason why we were able to see this and take this trade, y'all, was simply being able to identify levels. Identifying levels and remembering to put into play our if-then statements, right? We said if price is able to break and hold below previous day low, we would take a play to the downside. And remember, you always need to know where you're going to take profit. Where do you want this trade to go to? And our profit target is another critical level, which is pre-market low. This was a beautiful trade we were able to take live. I hope you were able to learn something new from this. I hope you were able to take some gems and be able to apply them to your trading to help you along your journey. Hey, y'all, I'm hosting a free masterclass where I'm going to break down in detail the exact strategy that I used to leave the classroom of over 15 years. If you want to be a part of that, go ahead and comment the word masterclass down below so I can go ahead and have my people secure your spot. And if you ever want to trade with us live, hear what we're talking about, see what's going on, see our screens, comment the word trade down below and we got you. We also have our wonderful futures coach. His name's Coach Jordan. He's outstanding. And we trade live futures every night, Monday through Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern. So if you're busy in the daytime, it's still no excuse to tap into this thing called the stock market. So if you're interested in that, also, all you have to do is comment the word trade, or there's a link in my description box below for you to tap in when you're ready to go. As a special gift, I want to show my appreciation to you. So once you join the academy, use the promo code YT40 YT40 to get 40% off your first month's membership as a special thank you from me to you. But y'all, I hope you apply this. I hope you see that you can win in this too. You just needed to know the how. So I hope this was very helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. See you later, guys. Bye.